UGC NET December 2025 kicks off with strict exam day rules. 70,800 new chartered accountants inducted. Northern Region leads enrollment. TGCETS 2026 calendar released dates are announced. BBAU non-teaching recruitment 2025 last day today and apply for 34 posts. The Berlin visa trap, Indian students face exit orders despite enrollment. Hello everyone, welcome to Education News Network. I'm Pallavi Kulkarni and today's top news are: the National Testing Agency begins the UGC NET December 2025 on December 31st. The exam runs till Jan 7, 2026 with a single shift on December 31st and two shifts daily from Jan 2. Paper 1 and 2 will be held together in one continuous 3-hour session without breaks. Candidates must report 90 minutes early. Late entry after 8:30 a.m. or 2 p.m. is barred and exit is allowed only after completion. Carry a printed admit card, valid photo ID and passport photo. Permitted items include a transparent pen, water bottle and prescribed medicines. Prohibited items include mobiles, watches, stationery extras, books, food bags, wallets and metallic jewelry strictly enforced. The Institute of Chartered Accountants of India (ICAI) inducted 17,800 newly qualified chartered accountants during a nationwide convocation held simultaneously across 15 cities. Membership certificates were awarded to new professionals and rank holders, marking their formal entry into the profession. The event was inaugurated from New Delhi in the presence of ICAI's top leadership and council members, with convocations conducted twice a year. Region-wise data showed that highest enrollment from the northern region with 5,474 new CAs, followed by the western region with 5,195. Eastern region contributed 3,205 members, central region 2,670 and southern region with 1,256. Speakers highlighted the growing role of CAs beyond audit and taxation, including public finance, digital governance and accountability frameworks, while reiterating the importance of ethics and continuous professional education. The Telangana Council of Higher Education has released the TGCET's 2026 calendar for admissions to professional courses in the 2026-27 academic year. All computer-based entrance tests will be conducted between May 4 and June 3, 2026 across Telangana. TG-CET is scheduled on May 12, followed by TGI-CET on May 13, and TGE-CET will be taking place on May 15, while TG Law CET and PGL CET are set for May 18. PGE CET runs from May 28 to 31 and PECET from May 31st to June 3rd. Detailed notifications will be issued separately. Babasaheb Bhimrao Ambedkar University, Lucknow has announced that December 31, 2025 is the final date to apply for its non-teaching recruitment drive. The university is filling 34 vacancies for posts including lower division clerk, assistant driver, lab attendant and others. Applications have been open online since November 14, 2025 via the official website. Eligibility criteria and age limits vary by the post, with December 14, 2025 as the cutoff date for age calculation and relaxation as per government norms. The application fee is ₹1,000 for general OBC and ₹500 for SC, ST, EWS, PWD and women candidates. Selection includes a written test, skill test if applicable, document verification and medical examination. Germany's image as an affordable, student-friendly destination suffered a blow in 2025 as hundreds of Indian students in Berlin were asked to leave despite being enrolled. Most affected students study at IU International University of Applied Sciences and a private institution with a large Indian cohort. Their programs, mainly in business and management, were marketed as on-campus but structured as hybrid courses with significant online components. In early 2025, Berlin's Immigration Authority reassessed such programs and ruled that they do not meet in-person study requirements requirement under the section of 16B of Germany's Residence Act. As a result, residence permits were denied renewal. Students were told to leave Germany or continue studies from abroad, leaving many standards mid-degree with financial and academic uncertainty.